Welcome back. I wanted to tell you about some exciting developments in dentistry because now dentists can help you sleep better. You know, there are FDA certified devices that are made to treat sleep apnea. What is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea is when a person stops breathing for periods of time, multiple times throughout the night, and it's linked to hypertension, heart disease, obesity, many diseases, and famous people have died from it, and even people who are not famous have died from it. So it's a disease that literally can be life and death if you don't treat it. Now, a lot of people in this country snore. Not all people who snore have sleep apnea, but actually they may have some disordered breathing. So just because you snore, you may be able to be helped also. Now, the other thing too is 26% of partners sleep in another room. So some people snore so loud that their partner sleeps in another room. The problem really is when your breathing gets altered at night. When you go to sleep at night and you get relaxed, your jaw and your tongue kind of slip back. And when they do that, they can block the airway and stop a person from breathing for parts of the night, causing snoring, or in the bad cases, sleep apnea. So I want to tell you about the fact that we're trained here in our office in 6 dental devices, 6 FDA-approved devices that treat mild to moderate sleep apnea. And we can use the devices to help people who've been diagnosed with sleep apnea and who've been given or prescribed a CPAP machine, you know, the mask and the hose that goes to your nose. And it turns out that about 50% of those people who have a CPAP machine or been prescribed it can't tolerate it in some way. They can't wear it all night, they can't wear it at all, they just kind of don't like it. Now, CPAPs are great, they do a good job, but if you've been prescribed it and don't wear it and think you have no more choices and that you just have to quote unquote live with your sleep apnea and know that each night you're doing yourself harm and potentially shortening your lifespan, I want to let you know that we can help you here. We're trained on more devices, more FDA approved devices than anybody else in Whatcom County, our office. Give us a call. We offer a free complimentary consultation to see if we can help you sleep better or give you something that's an alternative to your CPAP. Then you can kind of sleep better. Your partner can sleep in the same room again, and your life will not only be happier, but possibly longer too. Thanks a lot. Give us a call, 360-671-4552. Aaron or Lisa will help you. That's 360-671-4552. We'll see you.